Welcome to Westgate Manufacturing's 2025 Season 3 new releases. Your go-to source for the latest and innovative lighting solutions across all applications. This season is packed with cutting-edge, innovative lighting solutions. Let's dive in and explore what's new. First up, the WP Max Series, Westgate's most advanced wall pack yet. It offers full control of beam angle, wattage, and color temperature with a built-in photocell. Featuring a contractor-friendly quick-install bracket for fast, easy mounting, including a model with visual comfort technology for reduced glare and elevated aesthetics. Next, the LFXU series, a high-efficiency, power, and CCT selectable area and floodlight, offered in 2 wattage ranges up to 150 watts, with universal mounting and 150 lumens per watt performance. The WLF series delivers decorative versatility with multiple mounting options, including wall arms, swivel rods, and suspended chain. Selectable from 24 to 40 watts, it's ideal for themed environments and architectural accent. Compact and stylish, the GMBA series is a gooseneck barn light with integrated photocell, selectable wattage, and color tuning. Available in black, bronze, silver, and white finishes. The WMCSR series offers sleek architectural style with up and down light in a modern square form. Power and CCT selectable, operating up to 30 watts at 90 lumens per watt. Introducing the LRS SH series, a Shoshi-inspired wall sconce in 3 lengths. With tri-level wattage and CCT control. Finished in oil-rubbed bronze, it blends tradition with performance. The BOL series offers 2 sleek options for modern outdoor lighting. The BOL 605 features a 33 inches square design with a laser-cut rain pattern, 25 watt output, and selectable CCT. Meanwhile, the BOL 800 comes in 24 inches and 42 inches heights and has a slim profile. Selectable 10 to 20 watt output and tunable CCT, which is ideal for contemporary pathways and landscapes. The SCX 1.5 series is a modular 1.5-inch linear lighting system with up and down light output. Choose from lengths up to 8 feet, with full cornering and accessory options, all customizable. The CMC 12 series is a commercial ceiling cylinder with surface or pendant mount. Wattage selectable up to 100 watts and available in black, white or silver, built for lobbies, showrooms, and more. The WFLD series ceiling fan includes integrated lighting, remote control, and CCT tuning, and is also offered in multiple blade and size options. The CLX HL series high-lumen LED corn lamps deliver up to 145 lumens per watt with selectable wattage and CCT. DLC listed with a durable E39 base, 0 uplight, and no glare. For value and speed, look to the FMLB series, an ultra-economy flush mount in sizes from 5 to 15 inches. Sensor and non-sensor models available, all with 5 selectable CCTs. The LAL 145 series is a 12 volts LED path light with traditional lantern styling. 3 watts, 200 lumens, and 5 CCTs, a classic choice in bronze or black. The TR Wi-Fi series is a smart landscape transformer featuring multi-tap output and complete remote control through the Westgate Smart app. Easily schedule, dim, and control your outdoor lighting anytime, from anywhere. The AAA24L series features a pagoda-style cap in cast aluminum, available in 3 finishes for classic garden appeal. New additions in the EL series offer compact, code-compliant emergency lighting for both indoor and outdoor applications. The ELMT features dual adjustable heads and up to 200 lumens of output. The ELM5 is wet location rated with a sleek, low-profile design, NICD battery backup, and rugged reliability for demanding environments. That wraps up our 2025 Season 3 new release overview. Innovation, versatility, performance, only from Westgate Manufacturing. To learn more about Season 3, scan the QR code on screen or visit the catalog section on westgatemfg.com. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.